Let's talk grey. I'm Amina and I'm here to talk about the grey mood involved in a space. With the greys, the lighter grey tends to make a space feel more calm and airy, whereas on the other hand, the darker greys makes it feel very sophisticated and masculine. So let's talk about a few products over here that you can incorporate within your grey space. So meet Sinella. These are the cushions that comes in 2 different sizes. The bigger one is great for reading in bed, and the lush cotton velvet that's soft to the touch reminds me of the old movie stars. So now we're going to talk about the Chateau Almo quilt cover. Paisley has ancient origins, but the patterns is just as loved today. We use soft nuances to create a fresh and modern expression that brings calm and harmony to your bedroom. So now we're going to be talking about a high rug pile called Vindom, woven with yarn that contrasts in color, a subtle feature that adds life to your design. The high pile makes it easy to join several rugs without a visible seam, a perfect companion for all types of flooring, even those with underflooring heating. The dense, thick pile dampens sound and provides a soft surface to walk on.